I want to take a pic with Cardi B inside my cardigan. Neighbors know I'm late. They call me Shorty, Mr. Cardi Man. I just smoke my way and fuck these hoes. I'm not no party man. Hit the plug and check that gas and take off in that Harley man.
Hello?
Fun facts about Morbius. He is a Marvel legend. He's super fit.
Pilates helps.
He needs to consume blood to live.
Who the hell are you, man? I am Venom.
He is not Venom.
I'm just kidding. It's Dr. Michael Morbius at your service.
Morbius, exclusively in movie theaters April 1st.
Alright, I'm gonna be calling Boyfriend from Friday Night Funkin'. Okay, he's calling.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now.
I might slide up to your block with intelligence. I'm a genius with the Glock, there's some relevance. Took his chain, took his rocks, took his sediments. There's no cap inside my speech, no impediments. Putting numbers on the board, I use my calculator. Put a op below the floor, he's a denominator. E equals MC squared. You didn't notice that? Had the shot, but he's too scared. Why didn't he bust it back? Thinking first and not react, subtracting opposite simple math. Hit him with these different subjects, I'm holding a different class. My equations never lie, not debating, don't you try. Hit him with 3, 1, and 4, I ain't talking pie.
It's been a year, Daddy. I really miss you. Mommy says you went to the store to get milk. Anyways, I'm failing all my classes, and Mommy hits me very frequently, and she changed my name to Tickle Tipson. Anyways, Daddy, I forgive you for abusing me. Please come back. Goofy Uncle Productions. I wanna take a pic with Cardi B inside my cardigan. Niggas know I'm late, they call me Shorty, Mr. Tardy Man. I just smoke my weed and fuck these hoes, I'm not no party man. Hit the plug and check the gas.
I accidentally made my cat gay and he thinks I'm his lover. So my cat, Frankie, recently came down with a pretty severe stomach virus. The vet gave me some antibiotic drops to put in his food, but when I do that Frankie wouldn't touch it. So, the vet suggested using a small dropper tube to insert the medicine directly into his anus. The first time was absolute hell, my cat fought me the whole time, but once the tube was in, and the medicine pushed out he seemed to calm quite a bit. Well, the next day he was acting strange. He has always been an independent cat, rarely coming around, never wanting to be held. But as I sat on the couch he started walking back and forth meowing and rubbing my leg. He then went and jumped up on the table where we'd done the application the night before and meowed louder and louder, until I decided I guess we will go ahead and do the medicine treatment. This time he didn't fight me though, and when I inserted the tube he closed his eyes, stretched his neck, and let out a noise that can only be described as a moan of pure bliss. Maybe the medicine made him feel better, I supposed. That night he slept on my bed curled up right next to me, which he had never done before. For the next week he'd do the same thing every day, meow on the table, until he got his fix. But then the medicine ran out. Even though I had no medicine he'd still cry and beg for it. I thought maybe if I insert it without medicine, he will realize it doesn't make him feel better anymore and forget about it. Well, that was 2 weeks ago, and he is only getting worse. He walks around me all day with his tail up trying to entice me. What should I do?
I pledge allegiance to the bag. I'm gonna get that cash, bruh. I like red, white, and blue, but green my only flag, bruh. See the ops, they ducking me like Donald. They gon' get trumped. See, I ran for office, but that boy ran like Forrest Gump. Put that boy on CNN. Put that boy on Fox News. Up the pole, then I go up in polls. I'm not built to lose. I got automatics for the static. That's what I told. Hate me or you love me. Just make sure that I get your vote.
I wanna take a pic with Cardi B inside my cardigan. Neighbors know I'm late. They call me Shorty, Mr. Tardy Man. I just smoke my weed and fuck these hoes. I'm not no party man. Hit the plug and check that gas and take off in that Harley, man.
Suck a nigga dick. 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 Woo. Suck a nigga dick. Suck a nigga dick.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal.
It's been a year, Daddy. I really miss you. Mommy says you went to the store to get milk. Anyways, I'm failing all my classes, and Mommy hates me very frequently, and she changed my name to Tickle.
I need my drugs. I need my love. Bitch, you're pulling up in that sucker son. I'm in that taco, baby. You come show me love. I'm up with nobody, little bitch. I show you none. I ain't trusting nobody, little bitch. I keep a gun. If a problem come up, you know I'm not gon' run. I'm feeling some of the us, cause we blow it like a bomb. Roll them like a 50, yeah, they smoke them like a bomb. Baby, that's me all day. We just can't wreck shit all day. Don't play. Baby, that's me. Baby, that's me. Yeah, raise that blue on shot. We get like this, you wish the bitch you fuck. It ain't been a day that I ain't been happy, bitch, purse I pop. Yeah, they told me that they broke, it's not my problem. Yeah, you know he takes the game, you know we poppin'. Yeah, you ain't got time to play with that side poppin'. Yeah, I told my bitch I knew one need a topper, a bumper. I pulled inside the slam, I chopped it up like helicopter. Slide in the goofy for the driveway. Hop inside the mansion for the drywall. Kicking holes in the wall, and fucking holes in my drum. I don't feel the same at all, having Percocet withdrawal. Y'all know me like you say you do, you don't know me not at all. You might catch me in the Tesla, cause it's driving loud and all. Yeah, they try to show that music, turn that bitch and turn it on. And we put up to the show, we turn that city up a notch. I need my drugs, I need my love. Bitch, you're pulling up in that sucker son. I'm in that taco, baby, you come show me love. I'm up with nobody, little bitch, I show you none. I ain't trusting nobody, little bitch, I keep a gun. If a problem come up, you know I'm not gon' run. I'm feeling some of the us, cause we blow it like a bomb. Roll them like a 50, yeah, they smoke them like a bomb. Baby, that's me all day. We just can't.
Goofy Uncle Productions. I want to take a pic with Cardi B inside my cardigan. Homies know I'm late. They call me Shorty, Mr. Tardy Man. I just smoke my weed and fuck these hoes. I'm not no party man. Hit the plug and check the gas and take off in the Harley, man.